So on this day, I went out to wash my car and do a few other things. I was out for an hour total, but in this video I only put the clips of what really stood out. And there were a lot of blue cars and red cars synchronizing with me, and people wearing blue and red. So I couldn't change the color of the date and timestamp because it's blue, but it has nothing to do with the video. And also, I wasn't able to record this video in high quality, but the footage from the dash cam was in high quality. Okay, so this is a little bit past after I left the car wash, and you're gonna see that when I take a left turn, there happens to be a blue and red car to my right. But if you see further down the road, there's a white van that's does a U-turn. It pulls into somebody's driveway and backs out, like as if they knew I was approaching. And you're also gonna see that there's gonna be a guy on the road jogging wearing blue and black. And at the stop sign that I approached to, you're gonna see on the right, there's a guy wearing blue, and he's on a old school lawnmower that you sit on that's red. And he waited for me to get to the stop sign. He synchronized with me at the stop sign, and he was even giving me a dirty look, but it's all timed and it's all synchronized. So right here, you're gonna see I end up getting to a stop sign further down the road, and I see up ahead, I see it already, a blue car coming up opposite of me, and to the right, it's synchronizing with the red car. So then I see that right away, and I just make a right turn, just a quick sudden right turn, and you'll see I synchronize with another red car and then a blue car that's further down from it. So this is a little bit later on my drive, and you're gonna see up ahead down this road, there's gonna be a blue and black truck that's gonna synchronize with the red car to my right. But as you see, this blue and black truck is coming at an angle. Like, I had to slow down because of the way he was coming was like aggressive. Like, he wasn't gonna give me any space when he turned, so I had to slow down. And you're gonna see like he's close to me, but you won't be able to hear it. But when he passes by me, he revs his engine. So at this point, I'm just around the corner from my house, and I'm at a stop sign right here that's just one street away from my house. and you're gonna see a red and blue car synchronized perfectly right here with me. And I don't know how they do it, but they did it perfectly, where they pass by at the exact moment I'm right here, and then further down the road you'll see a red car.